Hey there, this is Mr. Walker with a brief video tutorial on how to complete lessons 14 and 15 as you review period 5 for the APUSH exam. This unit begins on Tuesday, April 28th and goes to Monday, May 4th, so it's a little bit longer, a little bit more time for you to complete all this stuff. And you probably have noticed the pattern by now as we review each of these periods. You have one lesson that covers the content, and that's lesson 14. If you click on that, it looks like the past two for lessons or for period 3 and period 4. Um, Unlike those previous periods, there are no document analysis or HIP questions at the end of period 5. So you're just answering the content questions. After you complete lesson 14, we then got lesson 15, which is then the skill-based part of the unit where you do the pre-write for a DBQ, you work on corroborating documents like you will in the AP exam, and you write a thesis and you perform one of the specific skills in the rubric and get a little extra analysis on it. So click on lesson 15. The focus for this one will be on outside information and how to get both those points on the new modified rubric. Just like with the last skill-based lesson, you have 4 different options to pick from for your DBQ prompts. So check them out and pick the one you want to write about. Use the template here to identify the main point of each document and how you can use it to answer the prompt. Then corroborate your documents into groups and identify which document goes in that group. You need 2 groups. You're going to find 3 pieces of outside information, describe them and explain how you can use them to answer the prompt. And then once again, you're going to write an introductory paragraph. So context, linkage, thesis, and then you're done. So no document analysis for this one here, but you are doing quite a bit outside information, grouping the documents in the intro paragraph. These odd number lessons, so like lesson 11, lesson 13, this is lesson 15, I know the content is really helpful to review that, and those even number lessons are nice, like the content review ones, but these odd lessons are probably the most important ones for review because this is what you're going to be actually doing on the AP exam when you're taking that one question modified DBQ. So this is great practice. They might not be fun, but this is what you will be doing, so you're going to get really familiar with it. In our period 6 and period 7 review, we're going to actually ditch this pre-write formula here, this template. And for those last 2 units, you're actually going to write your own essays. You're going to write 2 timed modified DBQ responses. So more on that when those lessons begin, but we've been kind of building to that. We actually do a couple practice essays before you take the AP exam for real. Coming up here pretty shortly. Have a great day and contact me if you have any questions.